Welcome. Today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we can see that we have the same wallpaper on our lock and home screens. So now we'll change it. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the personalization. Here we have the my wallpaper section. We can select one from our default device wallpaper. Also we can click here on the right upper corner and select the, for example, photos that previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. I'll go for example with this one. Click here to apply and to lock screen. After that we'll just check it, and now you can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. So also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first you should hold for a while one from your device screens, that doesn't matter which one. After that you'll see here the wallpapers, so I can click here, and now we should also select the folder where we'll just select the wallpaper, the default one, the photos or live wallpapers, for example this one. Now for example I'll do it just once. Here select one from the photos, click here to apply screen lock, and that's it. So as can you see, that's so simple to do. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.